everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I will be talking about fashion, styling and all those stuff related to fashion designing. So this is going to be my first video on this channel. So let me give you a little introduction about myself. My name is Priyanka and I'm a fashion designer and digital illustrator in Bollywood industry. And I have worked for so many celebrities, movies, ads and web series. Currently I am working for a renowned Indian fashion designer. I cannot disclose the name here, but if you really wanna know, can go and check my Instagram page. So here on this channel, मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरे अब तक के फैशन डिजाइनिंग के एक्सपीरियंसेस, टिप्स, करियर गाइडेंस और वो सारी छोटी छोटी मगर इम्पॉर्टेंट बातें जो हमें किसी भी फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट या कॉलेज में स्टडी के टाइम पे नहीं पता लगती until you come to the actual industry. Okay, that's it for the introduction. My next video is going to be how you can become a fashion designer if you are studying, graduated or working. So make sure you subscribe the channel and I'll see you very soon in my next video.